I have to take this handle apart, put a new handle in it. That's pretty straightforward. Not that big a deal. Little pin right here. You press in. Handle pulls off. That's pretty straightforward. Then of course you gotta take the guard off. It's just a matter of pulling that like so, right? So the guard's off, and of course taking this part off so the rest falls out. So there's that. I don't have to take the plunger out. Out comes the lock, like yay. Of course you keep these separate, right? I'm going to put a different style lock and have a push button in it, but that's pretty straightforward too. This one has a slightly larger hole pattern, so I'm going to go get my drill. So got the holes drilled. Didn't take long. There's a slide in there that catches that plunger. I just got to put the other side on. So there's that. I always try to replace the screws. You know, it comes with a bag of screws, so the other ones were a little bit worn out. There you go. I mean, really, that took like, 5 minutes. Of course, I got to put the core in it. That's pretty straightforward. There's a special key for that. I don't know if I should show you this part or not, but it just pops the core. Whoop. Pops the core out of the hole. There you go. That's my job today. Wish you were here.